Hi Year 7, I'm going to be showing you how to do some more simplifying now. This time we're going to be using powers. If we think how we work with numbers, if I had 5 times 5 times 5, we could simplify that using indices or powers. That will become 5 to the power of 3. And we're going to use exactly the same principle when we're working with letters. Y times y times y. That will be y to the power of 3. Looking at the second example, 4x times 3x, I'm just going to rewrite that as 4x times 3 times x, because with algebra, 4x means 4 times x, like an invisible multiplication symbol there. Now, because it doesn't matter which order I do multiplication in, I can do the 4 times 3, so I can do the number part, that is 12. Then x times x, I'm not going to put the multiplication symbol in because we don't use it in algebra, and I'm just going to say that is x squared. So that simplifies to 12x squared. A couple more. So with the first one here, 2x times y times 4y. So using the same idea from the last example, I can do the number part. I can do the 2 times 4, which would be 8. Then I've only got x on its own there, so 8 lots of x. Y times y would be y squared. Now you can write this as 8y squared x. That means exactly the same thing. You can put the 8 anywhere as well, but in maths, just for like a convention, I suppose, we tend to put the numbers first. That's how questions will be posed, and that is how answers will be reviewed as well. So try and remember to put the numbers first. The last example here, x squared times x cubed times x. So this is x times x times x times x times x times x. So I could, if I wanted to, just put the power there of 1, because that's what it is. So x times x times x times x times x times x would be a massive x to the power of 6. Now you might have spotted a quicker way of doing this, and that is adding the powers together. 2 plus 3 plus 1 gives me 6. Okay, so that's working with powers. I hope you found that helpful.